Hi, this question is coming from the June 2015 Advanced Level Further Maths. A system of equations has the following set of equations. System of equations. Find the value of the constant k, this value of k here, for which the system of equations does not have a unique solution. Now, one of the ways of approaching this question is to write an augmented matrix. We have 2, minus 3, 4, so we're going to write the augmented matrix. 2, minus 3, 4. Then I've got 3, minus 1, and 0. I also have 1, 2, and k. 1, 2, k. And here I've got 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Now, after we do that, what we should do now is we should reduce it to the echelon form. So let us swap this row, because see 1 here, I can put the entry on top here. So I'm going to make row 1 swap with row 3. And that's kind of easy. 1, 2, k. I've got 1, 3 minus 1, 0. And then 2, I've got minus 3, 4, 1, 2 here. Okay, so we're going to use this entry to make this one 0, this entry to make this one 0. So what is the next step? Is to make row 2. Alright, by taking 3 row 1, 3 times the 1 minus row 2, and then also this one, row 3, will become 2 row 1 minus row 3. 2 row 1 minus row 3. And let's do this. So we do that. 1, 2, k. I've got 1. Okay, now here 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 1 is 7. 3 times k is 3k. 3k minus 0 is 3k. And 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 times row 1, 2 times 1 minus 2 is 0. 2 times 2, 4 minus 3 is 7. 2 times k is 2k, 2k minus 4. 2 times 1 minus 1 is 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now from here, what we can do, let us look at row 3. We're going to make row 3, we're going to turn this into 0. Maybe this one as well, but still have to wait for this. Row 2 minus row 3. I'm interested in making this one 0. The entry just below this, so these ones are staggered across. Okay, I've got 1, 2k, 0, 7, 3k, and here I've got 1, 1. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 3k minus 2k minus 4, 3k minus 2k is k, minus 4 is plus 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now from here we're good. So k, this entry here, if it does not have a unique solution, alright, so this entry should be equal to 0. So k plus 4 equals 0, meaning that k is going to be equal to minus 4. Now that's the first part of the question. For the second part, we're going to have to solve the system of equation. Remember, the equation's been given, and we have the equation as, let me just write it down again, 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 1. I also have 3x minus y is equal to 2, and x plus 2y for this value of k. The value of k was found minus 4. So we're going to replace this by minus 4. So minus 4z is equal to 1. What can we observe? 4z minus 4z. So what I can do, I can take equation 1 plus equation 2 and cancel z. So this is going to become then 2x plus x, which is 3x, minus 3y plus 2y is going to be minus y. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what we're doing, we're taking this and adding up with this one. Do we observe? Yes. 3x minus y is equal to 2, 3x minus y is equal to 2. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to substitute, but before we do the substitution, I'm going to set x is equal to t If I do that, then I can put x as t here. So I'm gonna end up with the y can go on the other side, and I've got 2 minus, I would say rather 3x, so 3t minus 2. So this is y. That's one parametric, one coordinate in the parametric form. Then I can take y and x, these two, and I substitute in the first equation. Alright, so substitute x and y in equation 1. Okay, so if we do it, then we're going to see 2x means therefore 2t minus 3y minus 3 times 3t minus 2, okay, plus 4z is equal to 1. 2t minus 9t plus 6 plus 4z is equal to 1. Okay, 2t minus 90 is minus 7t. The 6 can go on the other side, plus 4z is equal to 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Okay, so 4z is equal to 7t minus 5. You can bring that onto the other side. Therefore, z is going to equal to 7 over 4t minus 5 over 4. So here's the solution, the parametric form of the equation. And the parametric form of the equation, let's just see. Oh, my daughter just brought some drawings that she did. I'm just going to put that here in the camera for you guys. Wow, that's nice, my darling. You want to say something? What are you going to say? Say. Come on. You've... Okay, you want to carry on again? Alright? Okay. I'll see you later. Alright? That's very beautiful, my baby. Okay, so then we have x1, x2, and then x3. So x1 here is going to be equal to t, and the other one, x2, is going to be equal to 3t minus 2, and that's going to be equal to 7 over 4t minus 5 over 4. Now just a little explanation about this solution. If we're studying vectors, for example, and suppose these were the equations of 3 planes, alright? The 3 planes, they were to meet in a line. That would be the parametric form of the equation of that line. The equation of the line of intersection of the plane. Anyway, there is another way of doing this. Question again. I mean, for example, the first part here, if you were to find k, you could have set the determinant of the whole matrix to 0 and then solve for k. That would have been shorter. However, you still need the row echelon form to be able to do... No, maybe not, or maybe yes. Because, I mean, once you have the value of k, you can substitute the value of k into the equation and solve the equation simultaneously. So that's fine. It's up to you to see what's the best way to do this type of question. Okay, take care. Don't want this video to become too long. Too much of chatting is not good. I mean, too much of chatting is not good. Take care.